Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video, and today is Saturday, so you know what time it is. It is hashtag Paper Dolls for Poet 2026, hosted by Jamie over at Poetspice. She's continuing this paper doll collaboration, and some of the girls down below that I have linked have continued on, some haven't. Um, so if you guys would like to just go ahead and check them out, that would be great. So I had done a video and I had put it was weird. Anyway, my video got botched somehow. Okay, so I have this die set that I've been meaning to put together, and it has tons of pieces and so forth. And I paused my video and then I came back. It was only 3 seconds long, so I do not know why or what happened. So I am going to share what I created with these dies. And I purchased these dies off of Amazon. So these are the dies. Well, these are the first set of dies that I created, or that I put together. So these are like rowing suitcases, and I thought this was really cute, and it has like a little luggage tag. And this one didn't have one. I made two because I kind of got confused with a die. This die was supposed to cut out these little strips, and it didn't at first. I had to put more shims in there, and finally they cut them out. So yeah, and I put these together finally, and I made two of them, so that'll be good. I need to go and kind of make it look dirty, and and so while I'm here, I might as well go ahead and do that. I can even sand it. Oops. Make it look worn, by sanding it down, making it worn, and and then you just go over it with, more ink. It just makes it look, like it's been through a ringer. Like some of our, suitcases and how they treat our suitcases. That's what it looks like. And then I created this version. This is more like the carry-on with the little suitcase, or not suitcase, but like a little purse, or like a little, what do you call it? What do you call those bags? Computer bag, like a computer bag, I guess. I don't know. And then lastly, I put together this stack of suitcases. Isn't that adorable? I even inked this one, because it was beige. I needed some contrast between these two dark colors. But I love how that turned out. I love the little straps, and it's so adorable. This one was so much fun to create. So this is my make for Poetspice Paper Dolls for Poet 2026. So thanks everyone for watching. Have a great Saturday, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.